Hi, welcome to ACS Composite. My name is Joseph, and today I'm showing you our new Z06 spoiler for the Stingray. We've all seen the new Z06, we all want one. Not many of us are able to get one, but we can play with our Stingray. So you're probably familiar with our full line of Z06 conversion parts for your Stingray. From our Z06 rocker, which is our best seller, to our Z06 canards, we now introduce the rear end treatment, our Z06 rear spoiler. This is not obviously the high wing or the Z07 version, which is a most aggressive, super hyper spoiler that sits about this height, completely eliminating the use of your trunk or access to it anyway. I like the more subtle, clean look of the entry-level Z06 package or Aero with the larger Wickers. So if you've noticed, most Z06s are delivered with the shorter Wickers, which stick out about 3/4 of an inch, or you'll also get on a Z06 larger Wickers, and that's what this is all about. An integrated base spoiler that's generally color matched with carbon flash side Wickers. And I absolutely love the way it integrates to everything else we've done to this car. From the rear view, where I get to see the two extensions enhancing the base spoiler, to the side integration, where we're able to actually pick up the design element of our side light or tail light with the specific Y, matching it all, giving us a clean look, specifically designed for a Stingray. So this is not just a carryover or a pasted on Z06 part. It's inspired by the Z06, specifically for the Stingray. So I hope you enjoy it. We'll be showing you a separate video on how to install it, how to do the conversion, but hopefully you enjoy it and you'll let us know what you think.